Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see kung ano yung energies na inyong money, career, finances, no? Kaperahan ninyo. Ngayong August 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mystiqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Alright, Capricorn, what's the energy ng inyong kaperahan ngayong August for Capricorn? Magic, you can do magic. You can do anything that you desire. Oh, hope. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, manifestation, no? Maaring meron kayong manifestation. You are still hoping for this manifestation to happen in your life. Whatever you are manifesting. So, hindi ka nawawalan ng pag-asa. Yan. Rejoice. Wow. O, ibig sabihin, meron kang isa-celebrate. Magbubunyi. 'Di ba? Magbubunyi ang mga Capricorn dahil ano man yung hino-hope ninyo, like you are manifesting in your career, your finances, it is finally happening ngayong August. 'Di ba? So, ano man yung mga goals mo and dreams. Overall energy. Wow, the world. Ano pansin ko, laging parang may nakataas yung kamay, parang may hinahagis ka. Or, it's like celebration. The world is also about achievement, no? So, meron kang major achievement in your career, finances, ngayong August, na parang there's some sort of fulfillment sa buhay mo. Or finally, you're free, you're doing the things that you love, or merong bakasyon. Bakasyon by the beach. Your challenge is the Ace of Wands. Oh, ito yung isa sa challenge ninyo, Capricorn. Yung inyong kusang palo. Ibig sabihin, yung inyong initiative, yan. Initiative and willingness. Minsan kasi nakakapagod naman. But, if there is something na gusto mong subukan or i-pursue, pag-aralan, anything related sa inyong mga talento, skill set, abilities, go for it. Yung iba, meron ditong gusto nyo mag-paint, gusto nyo mag-write, merong arts and crafts. So, there's an opportunity for you there. Kaso, gaano mo kagusto tong gawin? 'Di ba? Gaano mo kagusto? So, yun yung mag-decide kung magagawa nyo talaga yun. Okay? And then, your opportunity. You have the Seven of Wands. Meron kang opportunity na ipagtanggol yung sarili mo, labanan ang mga taong kumokontra sa mga plano mo. Maari kasing isa rin yan sa nagiging dahilan na parang may mga times na meron kang ideas, creative ideas, pero parang ay wag na lang kasi baka hindi magustuhan ng iba or baka may kumontra. So, dito mo malalaman kung gusto mo talaga, 'di ba? Na hindi ka magpapatalo. You will protect your career, your business, ilalaban mo 'yan. Your ideas. Now, your blessing is the Two of Cups. You are blessed with someone na kakampi mo talaga pagdating sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, someone who is supporting you. This can be your romantic partner or yung kasama mo sa trabaho, buddy-buddy mo, o kaya yung boss mo, or someone who really believes in you. And I also see as a blessing, no, pwedeng meron ditong bagong ang tawag nito yung may kontrata. Sasabihin ko meron kang pipirmahan. Oo. It's like a deal. It's like a successful deal. It can be a business deal or you will be partnering with someone for a business or a career, project, ganyan. Leadership skills. So, maaring isa ito sa matatanggap nyo ngayong August, meron kayong leadership role. Oo, pwedeng kayo ay bibigyan ng project, or kayo ay magiging OIC or merong promotion sa work. Self-discipline. Okay, when it comes to your finances, napaka-importante na disiplinado ka kung paano mo i-handle yung pera mo. And also, yung pagdating sa career, no? Kung ano yung naset mo na goal, dapat alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo talagang ma-achieve. And then, yung discipline, i-impose mo sa sarili mo yan para yan yung maging guide mo para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. Continuous learning, yes, napaka-importante na patuloy ang ating pag-aaral. Hindi natatapos sa school, kumbaga, kasi may innovation, di ba? Oo, nagbabago, nag-evolve ang mga information. So, sasabay ka dyan. Sasabay ka sa pagbabago na yan. Kasi kung di ka sasabay, baka mapag-iwanan, di ba? Oh, you are learning. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. So, sabihin, may bago kang na-achieve na mas mataas kumpara sa dati na pinanggalingan mo. So, this is definitely an improvement, no? Improvement, pagbabago, upgrade sa iyong career, business, or finances. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.